We have up to probably around 10 groups going out, up to 16 people. In terms of gear, it's pretty minimal. We supply all the rain gear, hiking boots, helmets, harnesses, these lanyards that you're attaching yourself with. So really all it takes is a basic fitness level and willingness to climb. If you can climb a ladder, basically, is what we say, you can do it. That said, we are moving, so the 4-hour trip, we are kind of moving for about 3.5 hours, so be prepared for that. But there's no experience, and just really a baseline of fitness is required. We get a lot of tourists. America's a big group right now because of the exchange rate. But then, yeah, locals as well. It's kind of a new thing. We don't have too many Via Ferratas around here, so yeah, it's a bit of an attraction.
Man, I gotta admit, I'm enjoying the snow and stuff, man. I think it's great.